And good Monday to you. I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Hope you're enjoying the warmer weather indoors. Usually I like to go outside and give you these forecasts. Today we're staying inside with the bitter cold temperatures. Tomorrow we're starting off in the single digits once again, and we'll get a little bit warmer tomorrow. That's the good news, climbing up to 20 degrees. But the focus, I think, really on this forecast going forward after the frigid air today is going to be on Wednesday, as we are going to see a pretty high impact weather event. And it's high impact because of the timing. Once again, snow will arrive for the morning commute. We're expecting about 2 to 4 inches of accumulation, with the snow winding down shortly after the noon hour. But we're looking at generally 2 to 4 inches across most of the area. I think the further north you go from Indy, you're probably closer to that 2-inch range. And some of you may only be in that 1 to 2 inch range up towards Peru and Kokomo, depending on the track. For those of you to the south, there will be a band of heavier snow, I think, maybe 3 to 5 inches from Terre Haute to Bloomington and points to the south, with the 5-inch totals, again, the further south you go. So something we'll continue to keep you updated here as we get closer to the event on Wednesday. Also, some light accumulating snow is possible on Friday. Until then, bundle up, make sure you stay warm outside, and join Kevin Gregory later on this evening starting at 4 o'clock for the latest forecast.